Hey Debt Counsellor members, once again Vanessa just here from the Debt Counsellor office. If you don't know, I'm the operations manager for the Debt Counsellor Association of South Africa, and today we're going to do a quick educational video on when persons are married in community of property, they of course have to bring a joint application for debt review. However, that's in terms of our legal system. However, along the line, and I think it happens so many times this recent year or two, is that if one spouse dies, what happens with the debt review application? Does the surviving spouse proceed with the debt review application or not? So in our legal system, the debt review application will cease. And if you look at the Debt Help System Enhancement Circular from, I think it's 7 of 2016, from the NCR, it states the following: you will send out all applicable documents to the credit providers to notify them from the spouse's death. They will copy all relevant documents. You keep it on record on your files. You will upload the DH system with status I, and then the process comes to an end. Your mandate as a debt counselor will cease to exist. The whole estate will then go to the master of the High Court. He will then appoint an executor or executrix of the estate, and that person will deal with the affairs of the estate. So your mandate ceased to exist. I just want to quickly check here. The mandate of the executor is then to locate and collect all the assets, to check the liquidity of the estate, the liability, and distribute the balance to the heirs if there's any left. Now, the surviving spouse should, however, take note, because they are married in community of property, her estate also falls with the executor's mandate, and the credit providers cannot come now, approach her and tell her, you need to pay all these debt that is still left between you and your husband who just passed away. So they cannot come and request, they cannot send letters of demands. It kind of suspends the whole operation of the credit agreement whilst the executor looks at the assets and the liabilities. They look at the insurance of if there's any insurances, and hopefully there is any credit life insurance, you can cover these credit agreements. And only once the executor has seen whether the assets covers the liabilities or whether there's more liabilities left, then only whatever is left, if there's anything left, then the surviving spouse will be liable for those credit agreements or the outstanding amounts. But the crux of the matter is that the debt counselor's mandate ends. The debt counseling, the debt review ends, and the whole estate goes to the master of the High Court and the executor, whichever is applicable in that instances. So the surviving spouse, just notify them, that's how it works, and the credit providers should not harass them for any payments until the estate has been administered. If you've got any further questions, I know it's just a very short video for you guys, but any further questions, please let me know. I'll try to answer them the best I can, and you can email at decasa@decasa.co.za. Our details are on the website as well, www.decasa.co.za. I think it's co.za, but I'll link the details for you. I'll also link the circular from the NCR for you guys to have a look at that. And I'll probably write a little article for those who rather want to read it instead of listen to the video. If you've got any further topics you want me to discuss, short educational videos, please send that to me and I'll gladly do that. Goodbye.